Mana was on my I say happy?
Yes.
Go ahead and
Enzo.
Wanna sit down for a while?
What? We gotta go home.
Happy! How am I happy if I pick out how to walk the fagi? Selu! More my young or fake pick out.
Don't listen to her.
And how fight pick out? See, go to when you talk about to
Whose kids are you kidnapping, Saite? 1, 2. Oh, it's a video. Mom, do you realize we spent more time at church this week than we have at home? Enzo just dropped off a fridge. Apparently there's a surprise in it. I hope it's not a human head. It's a nice little fridge, I like it. We're gonna momo sapate, break the Sabbath, by moving this fridge inside. Because we haven't had a fridge since September. Because the struggle is so real. And I can't wait because I'm sick of buying things and I miss eating yogurt. Oh, this needs a little bit of a clean. Ooh, nice. Fancy. What? What the hell?
What is it?
What the hell is this?
What is it?
It's horse movies.
What the hell? Okay.
Oh my gosh. I don't even have a DVD player, Enzo. How do you expect me to watch these? It's a Samsung fridge. We have an Android fridge.
That's okay.
By the way, Enzo, thank you for the horse DVDs. I really appreciate it. You can't fit.
That's how you fit.
Oh,
I'm telling you to move so I can slide it in.
move! I can slide it in myself. In this kitchen, we have 1 fridge now and 3 tables. 1, 2, and 3. It's ridiculous.
3 hours later.
I just had a quick power nap. It's good to be up now. Look at this. Now it's perfect conditions just to live life, you know? Oh my gosh. What the? Hey! When'd you get back to New Zealand? That's my little cousin Filiami.
Oh, hell no.
He just touched down from Tonga not too long ago. I think you got back on Friday, yeah?
Hell yeah.
Yeah, just got back on Friday from Tonga. We're about to go to the beach.
DJ got that dough. Until 9. Yep.
What's up, cuz?
What's up, G? Just letting it all hang out. Why don't you stay out so you can...
Just stop judging me. We're here, baby. We're gonna run in the water. Well, I'm not running.
I thought you were gonna run in.
I said I'm not running. I'm slow.
1 pair of pants later.
Look at you.
8:49. What about me?
You
8:49.
wet boy. It's 8:49, my friend.
I'll go work.
Turn it up on me. Oh, yeah.
Yo, will I eat any of this stuff?
Close my book.
Do you have any logins? There's a bigger Starburst I'm looking at right now.
Close my book. Yo. What's up? What's up?
Turn it off, stop being Momo Sapate.
Yeah, I need to
Later, Billy Gums.
Later, bro.
Yeah.
See you next week.
Hell yeah.